Let's go like this. Were you nervous?
Oh my god, yes.
I tricked her.
Beautiful island of Maui. And you know, Maui is the island of love. So there's absolutely no better place in the world to get married.
In your career, I love how you always fight for those less fortunate and how you've devoted your life to serving people who sometimes don't realize how badly they need you. I promise to give you a life of abundant adventure and happiness, where there's rarely a dull moment that we wouldn't alleviate with a game of cranium or me farting in bed.
Every day, you are the first person I want to say good morning to, and the last one I want to kiss. I promise to never pick up your socks.
I promise to be your biggest cheerleader and the fiercest enemy of anyone that crosses you.
Lastly, I promise that as long as we are together, I will uphold all of these promises to you.
Hey Casey, Melissa, thank you so much for the invite. This is the best one.
I just wanted to say congratulations and we love you both and have a great life together.
Thank you for inviting us. This means the world to us. Congratulations to you and your new bride. We wish you all the best.
Gave me the sun of you see today is exploding all over your lives. This is the mother of that beautiful child, and I love her.
Good.